A Compabloc heat exchanger can be easily cleaned on-site using a cleaning in place unit or CIP. Before you begin, please review the Compabloc instruction manual for guidance. The manual also details the shutdown process, points out the connections, explains the cleaning procedures, and shows you how to verify your results. Mechanical cleaning can be carried out on-site or at an Alfa Laval service centre using specialised equipment. Here is an overview of the process. First, the panels are disassembled and marked. The baffle cage is removed and the baffle is marked. Next, the Compabloc is cleaned, either with steam or a high-pressure stream of water between 800 and 1000 bar. Nozzles on the water hose can either rotate or create a concentrated jet. To enhance access to the heat exchange surface, the cleaning device is positioned at a 45-degree angle and the heat exchanger is cleaned channel by channel, following the angle of the plate pattern. Hot water cleans efficiently. To achieve the best results, it may be combined with an environmentally friendly degreaser, such as Alpacon. To reduce environmental impact, used cleaning solution should be drained to an appropriate wastewater system. An endoscope is used to verify the results of the cleaning.
So endoscopic examination is very important because it's the only way to check the chemical cleaning between the plate pack. And also we have a possibility to check the leakage, internal leakage. And it's possible to make photo pictures, also to check the welding. It's very interesting, yes.
After reassembling the panels with new gaskets and mounting the original baffles, the unit is ready for another long period of high-performance work.